For this function, we have two terms. Here we have a square root, right? If we have a square root, rewrite this expression as x to the power of 1/2. So we have y is equal to 2 times x to the power of 1/2 minus tangent x. Then derivative of y prime or dy over dx is equal to number is multiplied, constant is multiplied. Leave this number alone. Apply power over here. 1/2 goes in front of x, 1/2, x to the 1/2 minus 1. That's negative 1/2, right? Minus derivative of tangent, that's formula, secant square, right? So we can cancel out 2, and then the derivative is x to the negative 1/2 power. That's 1 over x to the 1/2. X to the 1/2 is the square root of x, right? We have a minus a secant square x. So minus a secant square x. So y prime is 1 over square root of x minus secant square x.